আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আমরা ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসির আবাসিক কেয়ারে যারা আছেন, তাদেরকে নিয়ে আমরা আউটডোর ক্লাস করছি। তো চলুন একটু দেখে আসি তারা কি করছে। এই পাশে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন এরা পড়াশোনা নিয়ে খুবই ব্যস্ত। সবাই সবার মতো করে পড়াশোনা করছে। আর এখানে আমরা যখন আউটডোর ক্লাসে আসি তখন আমরা বই ধরে বেসিক্যালি পড়াশোনা করি না। ওপেন স্কাইতে যেকোনো একটা টপিক ফিক্সড করে দিব, সেই টপিকের উপর ওদের কথা বলতে হবে। ফর এক্সাম্পল টুডেস টপিক ইজ ফেভারিট টিচার হতে পারে, টিচার সম্পর্কে কথাবার্তা বলবে, হতে পারে অ্যাবাউট লাইফ ইন ঢাকা সিটি। যে কোনো টপিক আমরা সিলেক্ট করে দিলেই এই টপিকের উপরে ওদের কথা বলতে হবে। হ্যালো স্যার।
Hello, sir.
হাউ আর ইউ?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
অলরাইট, আই এম অলসো ফাইন। প্লিজ টেক ইট।
Okay, thank you, sir.
Please take it. Go for a conversation. So, what do you do in English fantasy, and how about your improvement? Got it? So, this kind of conversation you'll go for. Carry on.
Hey there,
I'm-
how are you?
I'm fine. I'm Shahid. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. And where are you from?
I am from a beautiful place. Whose name is Dhamrai, and it's nearby our National Martyrs Memorial. Where are you from?
I'm from Kishorganj, which is located in the middle part of our country, and it's also nearby Dhaka.
Okay. So, what about your family?
Yeah,
How many members in
there
your
are
family?
4 members in my family. They are my father's mother, sister, and also including me. And what's about your family?
I come from a close connected family, and there are three members in my family: my mother, my sisters, my wife, and including me.
Okay, so what are you doing?
I have completed my post graduation, and now I am a student of English fantasy, and I came here for my IELTS preparation.
And,
What about you?
Yeah, I'm studying at Instar University, and I'm running a student.
So what is your major?
My major subject is Tripoli, and I choose the subject because I love electrical function.
Oh,
And what is your major subject?
My major subject was microbiology. Microbiology, but now I want to learn about biotechnology
Okay.
because biotechnology is a vast opportunity in our country. That's why I choose biotechnology for my international level studies.
So, why you thought to learn English? When?
English not only a language. English is essential for our daily life because now I make a plan to go abroad. That's why I think it's necessary, and it's one thing. So what can I connect with everyone? That's why I came here for my improving English level.
Okay.
So what about you?
Yeah, I'm also come here for my English preparation, and I want to go abroad in future, and that's why I need a IELTS exam. I need to sit IELTS exam, and for this IELTS exam preparation, I came here. And when I came here, I saw their environment is too good, and English Fantasy provides residential care also. And that's why I admit here. We got here a long time practice session, and uh, this is the main fact.
Okay, I got it. So how many days you have been here studying?
Yeah, I'm here last 1 month.
Okay.
1 month past. And when you come here,
I came here last 2 months.
and what is your level right now?
Right now, I think my level is so good right now because when I came here, that time I can't speak properly. Already, I improved my level.
And how's the teacher in English Fantasy?
Okay, it's a good question, and our teacher are so good. Our honorable teacher Rajan sir and our Sharia sir teach us, and they guided us properly. And I think it's the best opportunity for every people. If you have any fantasy in English, I think you should come English fantasy. Okay, and there are a lot of opportunity they provide us. Our outdoor class and our evening class, nursing class.
I think every day they are provided lots of things like lots of session,
Yes, yes.
a morning session, evening session, and
Nursing session
nursing
also.
session also. And we pass a long time in environment in English.
Yes.
Improve our English very soon and very earlier.
So,
And-
do you notice? I want to add some things in English fantasy. every student try to speak in English.
Yeah,
If-
that's why we take a challenge.
Yes.
When we come here and first week, Rajan sir
you
throw
remember-
the challenge to us. We were accepted the challenge and,
and
we already
won.
achieved.
We
We
already
already achieved that challenge, and
Yes.
Rajan sir give us two kachi,
Yes.
treat us a kachi.
Now we are
Uh,
wait for our next challenge.
Next challenge,
Okay.
yes. When our honorable teacher give me another chance,
Okay.
and we are waiting for that challenge.
Yeah, so
Um,
I think it's good for us, and
Yes.
this institution is best for every student who want to take their IELTS preparation. Am I right?
Yeah, I also agree with you, because when you take presentation in your yourself and at home or at other university, they provide only a 1 hour and 2 hour session, but English industry provide us a long day session,
Yes.
and also provide us residential care.
Not only day,
Yeah,
enough time in night.
night also,
at
yeah,
night.
because our morning session start is 7 a.m. and we have enough time at night, around 6 or 7 hour,
Yes.
and it's enough for self practice.
Yes.
Do you notice the different thing of other institute to our English fantasy?
Yes, why not? I noticed many things when I make my plan for my IELTS preparation. That time I scroll. That time I found this institution in my Facebook, and I scroll.
Yeah,
watch
I also
their-
find this
their-
institute from Facebook.
Okay, so that time I first I came here and I went here and look their all environment and search their everything. Then I make my
Yeah,
plan
overall
to
city,
stay
in
here.
overall city there are no institute who provide this type of
This-
facilities.
Yes, yes. That's why I already come here
Yeah.
and join with
And
them.
we come here, and when you see when I pass the time, and already I passed the one on a month, and that time I noticed one thing: there are lots of students who already taken IELTS exam, and their result is too good,
Yes,
Yeah.
I think
and their improvement also
achieve,
good.
I think they achieve their desired score and minimum 6 or 6 and 5 or 7. So I think it's a good institute for us, and if we may practicing, and I would think we
Yeah,
already
I also think
we
when
also reach about
yeah.
we also get our desired score. So I think it's a good institute for us.
And what's your future plan?
My future plan, I want to go abroad for my higher studies, and when I complete my studies, I came to my home country and I work for my country. And I want to be a good biotechnologist and future biotechnologist. I make plan in biotechnology sector or food sector in my country.
Okay, I see. And which country you want to go?
There are a lot of country I like, but I prefer Finland and UK.
Yeah, Finland have a good opportunity
Yes.
for a student.
Yes, I think Finland provide me a good opportunity, and their research and their teacher are
So
so
friendly,
good.
yeah.
Yes, there are a lot of research facility, and all university provide lot of lots of research facility and international
Also
student.
scholarship they are provide.
Yes,
Yeah, I know.
early bird discount
Early
or
bird
merit
discount,
basis
yeah.
scholarship they provide, and international students come here they to they improve their knowledge. That's why I choose Finland.
Okay. I also think I in future I also if Allah wants I also go there for
Inshallah.
my higher studies.
Next time we'll meet again.
Okay. Until then,
Thank you,
Allah
brother.
Hafiz.